Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you how to remove a damaged screw. As you can see, the screw is really screwed up and there's no way to get it out. Okay, the very first thing I did was I used a screwdriver, a Phillips. I went counterclockwise and it was just damaging the metal, and then I used a drill and it further damaged the metal, and then I went on to YouTube to see if I could get some help, and there were some videos on how to remove a damaged screw. I tried drilling a hole in it. I followed instructions on YouTube, but to no avail. So I went on to Amazon.co.jp, that's Amazon Japan, and I saw this tool for $85, and that was just too expensive for me. So I went on to Amazon USA and I saw the same tool, and it was only for 20 bucks plus shipping, so it cost me about 30 bucks in total. So I'm going to give it a try. Let's see if it works. I hope it does. Okay, I've got my drill. Let's set it on reverse. Okay, put it reverse. Okay, and let's take out one of these bits. There are two sides to this. I think this side looks like a drill bit, so that probably goes into the screw. You drill a hole with it, and then with this side it has threads, and then you put it into the screw and you go in reverse direction, so counterclockwise, and that should remove the screw. Well, let's see. First I'm going to use a regular drill bit to make the hole deeper. And smoother. Okay, let's put in one of those pieces that I bought. This is a number 3, and I have the drill bit sticking out, the drill bit in reverse mode. Okay. Take it out, reverse it. The threaded side is sticking out. Oh, it's actually coming out. Do you see this? I'm manually turning the drill, and the screw is actually coming out. See? It's finally coming out, this stubborn screw. Oh, look at a close-up shot. It's actually coming out, look. It's actually coming out. I'm so happy. I hate the screw. Oh no, it broke off. It broke off. I wonder if that matters. Now this is my problem. The top of the screw broke off, and the other part is inside. Let's see if I can just pull this out. Oh shoot. Well, look at that. It just came right out. Excellent. Excellent, it just came right off. Okay, once again, this piece came off, and now I can take the other side out and replace this unit, and then I can actually close the gate. And that's how to use this Rabbit Pro tool. Hope you found this video useful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Bye everyone.